Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus at sign. This reading is last week of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person's current feelings. And your current feelings towards them. So energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. So let's see your person's current feelings towards you. 5 of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Wands and Temperance. And your feelings towards them. Isolation, clinging to the past and courage and innocence. Definitely separation between both of you. I think your person want to rush in towards you because Knight of Wands. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, fire sign or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in it. Definitely there is separation. Your person could be Sagittarius or you could be. So there are some issues. 5 of Wands, some issues are going between both of you. That's why there is separation, but patience is needed. Patience and balance is needed right now. Your person want to come towards you and your feelings towards them. Definitely you feel very heartbroken, isolation without your person, and you also feel very sad. 5 of Cups. But innocence, the sun is here. For some this could be third party, and but you are courage, you are gaining your strength and you stand by your power. Definitely you also get, that's why the innocent sun is here. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. A 7 of Pentacles. I think it is you, Taurus. You invest on this connection more. 9 of Pentacles. Yes, I think, sorry for them. So you in past like this, but now you like this. You are independent right now because you gain strength. When you love yourself the most, that's why your person is attracted towards you and come towards you. They want to come towards you because now you are independent. You are not dependent anymore. So let's see some more information about you from the universe. For some there is separation, integration, flowering and the outcome, the dream. 6 of Cups, totality. 5 of Wands 2 times. Definitely there is some issues, but the dream. 6 of Cups, this is a strong soulmate and past life connection. And flowering, Queen of Pentacles 2 times. Queen of Pentacles. Yes, your person want to come towards you. Queen of Pentacles is sharing. Definitely they want to share their love to you. And 6 of Cups, definitely they are dreaming about you because you are now independent. You are not depending upon anymore. Please trust your intuition because integration is High Priestess. So trust your intuition. Yes, no more you are dependent. Your person want to come towards you. That's why those who are in separation, definitely your person will come towards you. It's up to you to accept their offer or not depending upon your situation. So the outcome is 6 of Cups here, and strong bond between both of you. There is no doubt about it. Under the deck, the source, Ace of Wands. Definitely new beginnings. For those who want new beginnings, there will be a chance for new beginnings between both of you. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.